sleeper out the back. This would be the perfect day to cover up gunshots. Don't you reckon?
Nope.
Gunshots are so much better.
Well, not in general, I'm pretty sure.
Big one. Big one coming up in the sky, Chuck. Big one. Another big one coming. Big one, big one. Why do you keep looking behind you? What? Why do you keep looking behind you? Didn't you almost get your firework license? You should have done. Imagine us just going everywhere with you. Big ones.
Oh, it's a sacrifice you're gonna have to make.
I like the last one when it's a lizard. Big one.
Big one on ours. What was that?
I don't like very well. Oh, yes it did. Nice. How does it even work?
Gunpowder. Yeah, it's a bomb.
Some of them. Should get my license.
How long does this go on for?
Did you see that person just running down where that guy is? There was another person absolutely sprinting.
Do something weird like sprinting in the middle of the night.
Oh, the poor environment. What's that? Do you even buy them or you even make them? Have you seen the ones that were at New York? Not New York. The New Year's Eve fireworks in Sydney. They're always really good.
How long does this go on for?
Until it's finished.
How much do you want to stand out and watch fireworks at 9:30 in the night?
They're just playing on this out for days and putting out their order. I wouldn't want to be caught in that. Yeah. Up close, it's too bad.
Yes, because you've got these massive explosions going off right above your head.
I love how loud they are though, like from a distance. It's not true. It's not loud.
in